Evaluate the expression. First, let's review zero exponents and negative exponents. For zero exponents, any non-zero number, a, raised to the zero power, is equal to 1. And for negative exponents, when you have a number a not equal to 0, raised to the negative n, where n is an integer, this is equal to 1 divided by a to the n. Let's look at an example. Evaluate the expression 4 to the negative third. Use the definition of negative exponents to rewrite the power as 1 divided by 4 cubed. Next, evaluate the power. So we have 1 divided by 4 cubed, which is 64. So the expression 4 to the negative third is equal to 1/64. Let's look at another example. Evaluate the expression negative 3 7/10 to the negative second times negative 3 7/10 squared. Use the product of powers property to simplify. Keep the base negative 3 7/10 and add the exponents negative 2 and 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so the expression is negative 3 7/10 to the 0 power. By the definition of zero exponents, negative 3 7/10 to the 0 power is 1. So the expression negative 3 7/10 to the negative second times negative 3 7/10 squared is equal to 1. Let's look at one more example. Evaluate the expression 3 to the 6th divided by 3 to the 9th. First, use the quotient of powers property to simplify. Keep the base 3 and subtract the exponents, 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is negative 3, so the expression is 3 to the negative third. Use the definition of negative exponents to rewrite the power as 1 divided by 3 cubed. Finally, evaluate the power. The expression is 1 divided by 3 cubed, which is 27. So, the expression 3 to the 6th divided by 3 to the 9th is equal to 1/27. Simplify. Write the expression using only positive exponents. In this example, the expression is negative 2 times x to the 0 power. We will use the definition of zero exponents to simplify. Keep negative 2 because only x is raised to the 0 power, and multiply by x to the 0 power, which is 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So, the expression negative 2 times x to the 0 is equal to negative 2. Let's look at another example. Simplify the expression 4 times b to the negative 4th divided by b to the 7th. First, use the quotient of powers property to simplify. Keep the base 4 and the base b. Subtract the exponents on b. Negative 4 minus 7. Negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. So the expression is now 4 times b to the negative 11th. Now use the definition of negative exponents to rewrite the expression as 4 times 1 divided by b to the 11th. 4 does not change because its exponent is positive 1. 4 times 1 divided by b to the 11th is equal to 4 divided by b to the 11th. So, the expression 4 times b to the negative 4th divided by b to the 7th is equal to 4 divided by b to the 11th. Simplify. 4 divided by b to the 11th. A drop of water leaks from a faucet every second. How many liters of water leak from the faucet in 1 hour? In this problem, we are told that 1 drop of water falls every second. This is a rate. In the picture, it tells us that a drop of water is 4 to the negative 6 liters. So the rate is a drop of water, or 4 to the negative 6 liters, every second, which is the same as per second. The question is asking us how many liters leak in 1 hour. So we need to convert seconds to hours. To determine how many seconds are in 1 hour, we need to do 2 conversions. The first conversion is from hours to minutes. Put 1 hour in the denominator so that the units hours divide out. And 1 hour equals 60 minutes, so put 60 minutes in the numerator. Next, we need to multiply by the relationship between minutes and seconds. Put 1 minute in the denominator so that the units minutes divide out. 1 minute equals 60 seconds, so put 60 seconds in the numerator. Divide out the common units of hours and minutes, leaving the unit seconds. 1 times 60 times 60 is 3,600, and the unit is seconds. So in 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. To determine how many liters, we can multiply the time, 3,600 seconds, by the rate. So we have 3,600 times 4 to the negative 6th. Notice that we have the units seconds times liters per second. The units seconds divide out, leaving liters. So our answer will be in liters. Now let's go back to our problem, 3,600 times 4 to the negative 6th. First, we can use the definition of negative exponents to rewrite 4 to the negative 6th as 1 divided by 4 to the 6th. Now we need to evaluate the power. 4 to the 6th is 4,096. Now we can multiply. 3,600 times 1 over 4,096 is 3,600 over 4,096. Finally, we need to divide. 3,600 divided by 4,096 is about 88 hundredths. And remember, our unit is liters. So, about 88 hundredths liter of water leaks from the faucet in 1 hour. A faucet